What's going on, guys? My name is Gerard. Today we're going to learn how to no-stall revert. Before you learn this trick, you should know how to no-stall and rock and roll. Alright, so for a no-stall revert, you're going to come up no-stall, but instead of dropping in switch, you're going to turn your shoulders, drop back in, and slide your wheels on the ramp to come back in regular. This trick didn't make any sense to me at first, but honestly it's become one of my favorite tricks to do, so hopefully I can make it a little easier for you. So this trick is a lot closer to rock and roll than you may think, and so I really recommend that you know how to rock and roll before you even try this trick. When you see somebody do this trick, you'll notice when you drop back in, it's the front wheels that are sliding on the ramp. So naturally you think that's where you need to put the pressure, but it's actually the opposite. The key to being able to do this trick is when you're dropping back in, you want to put all the pressure on your back foot. What that does is lifts the weight off your front foot and allows your wheels to slide. For me, that made all the difference. When I first started trying this trick, over and over, I was putting all the pressure on my front foot and the board would just slip out and go flying. When I started focusing on shifting all the weight to my back foot, that's when the wheels finally started to slide. You want to think of this trick in 3 steps, a lot like my rock and roll video. You want to go up into the nose stall, turn your shoulders so you're looking the opposite way, and then drop back in. If you don't turn your shoulders first, the board is never going to spin all the way around. So those are the 2 keys to this trick. When you're in the nose stall, turn your shoulders all the way around and make sure you put all the pressure on your back foot so those front wheels slide around. If there's too much pressure on those front wheels, they're not going to go anywhere and your board is just going to slip out. If you know how to rock and roll, I think you're going to get this trick a lot quicker than you think. It's just about committing. It feels really weird spinning your body while you're dropping in switch, especially because learning how to drop in switch is already scary enough. So spinning your body feels really weird. But just remember, all that pressure on your back foot, turn your shoulders, and your board's going to follow you. No-stall revert's a really fun trick, and it's really the only reason I learned how to no-stall in the first place. I put it off for a long time, but now it's a trick I do all the time, and it's become one of my favorites. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Let me know what trick you want to learn next, or what trick you want to see me learn next. And if you learn a new trick, send a video my way. Might find yourself at the end of the next video. Till then, see you guys next time.